Hello guys, welcome back. So when it comes to tablets, there are only select few good tablets out there, and recently we saw Samsung launch their Tab S7 Duo, which sets a new bar for Android tablets. Now Lenovo has announced the new Tab P11 Pro, a mid-range Android 10 tablet which offers really good specs. In US it will cost $500, but if you want the bundled accessories then it will cost $600, which is much better than what Apple, Samsung and Microsoft charge. The price is different when it comes to Europe, Asia and the Middle East. It will cost 700 euros. Yes, the price in the US is much more acceptable. Anyways, I will tell you all the things there is to know about this tablet, but before that, do consider subscribing and maybe like the video as well. Now speaking about the tablet, Lenovo has debuted plenty of low-end Android tablet over the past several years, but its new P11 Pro is a high-end device, at least in some aspects. Like, the composition of the tablet is very similar to the Samsung's flagship tablet, as it's thin, well-equipped and feature-rich. Actually, the bezels are slimmer than the iPad Pro and Galaxy Tab S7, which is insane. It comes with a 11.5-inch display which is an OLED panel. It supports Dolby Vision and HDR10 and sits at a resolution of 2560 by 1600 with a pixel brightness of 500 nits. That 16:10 aspect ratio should prove pretty great for consuming movies and TV shows. In terms of security, it has a side-mounted fingerprint reader. As for accessories, this tablet supports an optional rigid keyboard dock, the Lenovo Precision Pen 2 digitizer, a folio case and a smart charging station 2 dock. Lenovo even borrowed a trick from Samsung and made horizontal rear attachment for the digitizer pen, though with a pouch instead, and with the keyboard cover you get the kickstand as well. When it comes to performance, this tablet falls behind. The Lenovo P11 Pro packs a Snapdragon 730G. It's not exactly a powerhouse, but it's stronger than what we usually see in Lenovo's tablets. Plus there is 4 or 6 GB of RAM, backed up with 128 GB of storage across the board. There's also a microSD card slot. Lenovo implemented a 4-speaker JBL system with Dolby Atmos support and a huge 8600 mAh battery. Lenovo says it will provide up to 15 hours of long battery life. About its cameras, it has dual 8-megapixel front cameras used for face unlock and an optional blurring of your background during video calls. There is also a 13-megapixel rear camera that's backed up by a 5-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. So that's a pretty good camera setup for a tablet. Connectivity comes in the form of Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C 3.1, microSD card support up to 1 TB and an optional 4G LTE. It is currently set for launch in the month of November. So what are your thoughts on this tablet? Do let me know. And that's it for this video. Hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.